Today's the day for the Ellwood City virtual walking tour. Today's Google Classroom assignment says go to each location in the tour. Read about the description and look at the pictures. When you're done, take the quiz. First, let's open up the Ellwood City walking tour. Click on the link for the Ellwood City walking tour. This is my walking tour. Start with Hartman School. Click Hartman School. Read about Hartman School by scrolling down. Hartman School was named after Henry Waters Hartman, founder of Ellwood City. The original Hartman School opened for classes in September of 1924 for nearby students in grades 1 through 6 and all citywide students in grades 7 and 8. Is it a historical building? No. The site type is school. You can see the Street View link. Click the Street View link to take a look at what Hartman School looks like. Navigate around by clicking and holding and dragging. Then go back to the Ellwood City walking tour. Scroll back up. Click the picture. Now go back by hitting the back arrow. Go back to the walking tour by hitting the back arrow next to Hartman School. Now go to location number 2. That's Lincoln High School. The location name is Lincoln High School. It's at 501 Crescent Avenue. Lincoln Junior Senior High School is the home of the Wolverines and named for U.S. President Abraham Lincoln. It was first opened for classes in September of 1926. Built on the site of the former Lawrence Hotel, the style of this building is an example of Greek Revival architecture. As you walk by, be sure to look for the replica of the Statue of Liberty in the front yard of the school. The statue is known as the Little Sister of Lady Liberty and was put up in 1951 by the Boy Scouts. It stands approximately 8.5 feet high and is made of copper. Is Lincoln High School a historical building? Yes, it is. The site type is school. You'll see the Street View link. Click the Street View link. Navigate around by clicking and holding and dragging. Then go back to the walking tour. Take a look at the pictures of Lincoln High School by clicking on the picture. There are 2 pictures. Click the arrow to see the next picture. Then go back. And back once again. Go to the 3rd link, the POW Agency. Again, read about the POW Agency. Go to the Street View link. Look at the pictures. Then go back. Do this for each one of the locations on the walking tour. Finally, go back to Google Classroom. Now it's time to take the quiz. Click the Ellwood City Walking Tour quiz. Type your first and your last name. Then slide down. Select your grade level. Then slide down. Hartman School was named after Ralph C. Stiefel, Isaac L. Ellwood, or Henry Waters Hartman. You decide and click. Then go to the next question. Lincoln High School is an example of what style of architecture? Slide down. Roman, Greek, or Early American? You decide. Go through each question. If you forget, go back to the walking tour. Select the number of questions and read about it. Then go back to the quiz. Go all the way down and submit your answers. Click Submit when you're done. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Ellwood City. I'll see you next time.